care for humanity. Since 1974, every year on 5th June, focusing on pressing environmental issues, the World Environment Day is celebrated across the globe. This year, the theme is biodiversity, and it focuses on the need to save resources and reconnect with nature. Due to the ongoing pandemic, over 100 countries had virtually commemorated this day. Earth is the home to all creatures. The biggest threat to our environment is the thought that others will save it. Let all of us do our part to save our Mother Nature. Let's connect ourselves with nature through quiz. It's quiz time. Here comes the first question of today's nature and wildlife quiz. I shall show you a picture. This is the world's largest coral reef system. It is amazing, vibrant, thriving, and beautiful ecosystem. It is the world's largest coral reef system. Home to diverse marine life of the most vivid colors. It is the world's largest coral reef system. It is composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. Here can be found 400 types of coral, 1,500 species of fish, and 4,000 types of mollusks. The reef is located in the Coral Sea off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It can be seen from outer space and is the world's biggest single structure made by living organisms known as coral polyps. It was recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site in 1981 and was labeled as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Name this iconic natural wonder of the world. Can you name this iconic natural wonder? And the answer is yes. It is the Great Barrier Reef. It's amazing, it's vibrant, thriving, and beautiful ecosystem. Now comes another wonderful question on nature and wildlife. Question number 2 for you. There are bridges around the world that are known to be the man's finest creations. But the natural marvel of Livelihoods bridges of this Indian state is mind-blowing. These wonderful structures are among the biggest attraction of the state. These ever-evolving bridges are made up of aerial, tangled rubber tree roots. These root bridges last for as long as 500 years. They are good enough to hold 50 or more people in one go. These bridges are generally made by the trained Khasi and Jaintia tribes of this state. Of all the Livelihoods bridges, the double-decker root bridge in Cherrapunji and the single-decker root bridge in Shillong are the unique bridges in the world and make for prime attraction in the Northeast. Look at this picture. In the question, I have made use of 3 words. Aerial. Look, these roots have grown much higher and above the soil, and hence they are aerial. Another important word, tangled. Roots are tied with each other to give shape of the bridge. And the ever evolving. As these roots are of living trees, so they keep on growing, and with time the structure of the evolved bridge become tighter, stronger, and it gives the strength to the bridge. Can you see this amazing bridge? It's living. Now you have to name the state that is the home to this centuries old nature's marvel. Yes? Yes. Another wonder of the nature. Can you answer it? Yes. And the answer is? Yes. Any guess? Yes, yes. A state from Northeast. It is Meghalaya, the abode of the clouds. Another amazing question on the beautiful nature. Oh, wow. A girl is sitting on a leaf, and the leaf is floating on the water. But how can a leaf take the weight of a girl? And yes, that's amazing. These are the leaves of the world's largest water lily. And they are the real showstoppers when it comes to the Amazon's flora. Shrouded in mystery and steeped in history, the Amazon rainforest is most famed for its exceptional biodiversity. With over half of the world's estimated 10 million animal, plant, and insect species calling it home. Victoria amazonica is the world's largest water lily. And these gigantic lilies are the real showstoppers when it comes to the Amazon's flora. This species is the national flower of the Republic of Guyana and appears on the country's coat of arms. The leaves of the plant can grow up to 10 feet in diameter. That's almost twice the height of our average person. What's more, these leaves are really strong and can easily hold the weight of a human being. Is not it amazing? See the leaves. In this picture you can see. Can you give the common or the popular name of this flowering plant? Yes. And the answer is Oh yes, I have given another one photo. It's Amazon water lily or Victoria lily or giant water lily. Are you all thrilled? Would you like to try it? Yes, we can't do it here, but it's really the showstoppers. Yes. Now, the penultimate question of the day. Question number 4 for you. And the question is on avifauna. Are you excited to see this photograph? Yes, nature is beauty. And it always thrills us. See the beautiful birds? Wow. Birds of a feather flock together. But at this famous avifauna sanctuary, birds migrate together, venture together, and pose for beautiful photographs together. Renamed as Keoladio Ghana National Park, Bharatpur National Park is a UNESCO recognized World Heritage Site and is one of Asia's finest birding areas with over hundreds of resident and migrant birds. Once a duck hunting reserve for the Maharajas, Keoladio now sees a lot of birds such as cranes, pelicans, geese, ducks, eagles, hawks, shanks, stints, wagtails, warblers, wheaters, flycatchers, buntings, larks, and pipits. Bird family in the park include hundreds of aquatic birds that are natives of Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, China, and Siberia. Beautiful birds. Can you name this Indian state that is a home to this national park? A green heaven for birds? Yes? Yes. And the answer is? The answer is Rajasthan. And the last question of today's nature and wildlife quiz. Question number 5 for you. Friends, what is required for vegetable farming? Field means soil, water, sunlight, and manure, isn't it? But what if I tell you that we don't need fields for farming? Vegetables can thrive in water too, and that too 2 to 3 times faster than they do in soil with higher nutritional content. Don't get confused. There is a sustainable farming method which is so eco-supportive and nature-friendly that it is going to be the technology of the future and is able to make the lives of vegetable farmers better. It is no less than a farming evolution. Yes, a farming revolution. Can you see the process? Yes, I have shown you in the picture. See. Absolutely, the process do not need soil. Can you tell which technology of farming I am talking about? Yes, it is the technology of the future. And the answer is hydroponics. Yes, hydroponics. It is the technology of the future. Thank you. It's nature's time.